We discussed how a scientific intervention should help us to provide details about the matter, how these are trustable resources. Today, we are going to check how it doesn't help us, like how scientific intervention is not necessary to unearth the buried mysteries. ऐसा कैसे होता है कि हम लोगों को ऐसा कुछ नहीं, साइंटिफिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स नहीं चाहिए होते उन बरिड मिस्ट्रीज के बारे में जानने के लिए. So first point we take about it, that whatever is buried, whatever is buried, sometimes that is related to our faith. It was when we talk about, mainly we are taking the chapter discovering that in every reference to this question, because this was the exercise given at the back of chapter discovering Tut. So first point we are taking breach of faith. In 1922, we got to know about King Tut. But if before this, first of all, Howard Carter managed to do it. After that, Zuhi Hawass, he managed to do it. So in between this period, the very first point is, it doesn't, scientific interventions sometimes do not provide you the solution. They give you idea, not the solution. How it goes, ऐसा कैसे होता? When in 1922, Howard Carter, he discovered the mummy of King Tut. He was not able to provide more details about him. Even Zuhi Hawass says that Carter destroyed the facts. यहाँ जब कार्टर के लिए कहा गया कि उसने कुछ फैक्ट्स को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया. ज़ुही हवास जो था उसका ये कहना था, कार्टर didn't provide the complete details because the condition was, at the time of Howard Carter, the resources were not sufficient to get the complete details. He didn't have the CT scanner to know more about King Tut. So sometimes it happens that when we go for such things, when we want to unearth the buried mystery, until we have the complete equipments, we cannot come out of any solution. So it is, we agree that we cannot say that the scientific intervention will be sufficient enough to unearth the buried mystery. This is the very first thing. Though I have written it at second place, this is the very first matter we wish to say about this topic, that scientific intervention is necessary to unearth the buried mystery. I oppose this. This is not possible. This is not possible because sometimes we approach to idea, not the solution. As yesterday we discussed that it provides a diagnosis of some diseases also in the same way. That is also the second drawback of scientific intervention. Sometimes they approach to disease, but they do not have solution. You have got to know that you are suffering from this disease, but until, what is your motive for scientific interventions? You want to cure your illness. आप अपनी बीमारी को ठीक करना चाहते हैं, but the different tests they provided you, that you are suffering, they made you aware that you are suffering from this problem. If you are suffering from this problem, it doesn't mean this problem can be cured in this way. So first thing is, these intervention provide you ideas, not solution. Second, breach of faith. The one who is connected to that historical matter or monument or anything, the one who is connected to that matter, his faith can be breached. उसका विश्वास, उस चीज से जो कनेक्टेड उसका विश्वास है, उसका विश्वास टूट जाता है कई बार जब हम साइंटिफिक इंटरवेंशंस को इन मिस्ट्रीज के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं. When we connect these things with the scientific interventions, the faith of many people get breached. This is the second point we want to say about it. And the third thing is, Sukhdeep, you want to talk to me? Unmute yourself and talk to me. Sukhdeep. Peter, what do you want to say something? Tell me what to. Expensive. These scientific interventions are sometimes the equipment we want to use, the test we want to use, those are so expensive to bear. The equipments or the devices, they are too expensive to bear. Let's say I'm suffering from heart disease. Agree, I'm suffering from heart disease, but I do not have as much amount to pay so that I can diagnose my problem. So that is also one more problem, that these things are quite expensive. Here also, when you talk about the chapter, the scanner was given by a company. The scanner was donated by a company, Siemens. So if they do not provide you those things, you cannot come out of the solution. So these are the important things. The very first point we must remember, scientific interventions, they provide you some time. With these things, you reach up to ideas, not to solution. Second thing, these things breach the faith of people. And the third thing is, these equipments, these resources are quite expensive to bear. They are quite expensive. Now, if anyone wants to discuss anything, anyone wants to know anything, can unmute himself and talk to me. Yes, anyone? Yes, Komal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Komal. Yes, Komal, say what?
मैम ये मैम वो फर्स्ट टर्म का नहीं है, आप सेकंड टर्म में करवा.
Wait, beta, no, hold. The chapter is of first term, but the concept we are doing, we have started. Komal. So yesterday, whosoever has written the essay on the given points, can anyone share that with me? Can anyone share that with me? I wish to know what you understood with that. Is there anyone? So today your task is, you will be writing an essay on the given point. The first point will be provide ideas, not solution. Second point will be breach of faith. And third point will be expensive. I want each of you to write a paragraph of approximately 100 words with these points. You will detail these things. You will detail these things in your essay. Write that, and I wish to listen to you what you have written for the homework given to you yesterday. आप लोग को कल जो homework मिला था उसके लिए आपने क्या लिखा था, that I want to know, so that we can discuss the remaining thing. Anyone who wishes to do it? Anyone, किसी के पास में भी कल जो भी आपको डिटेल्स मिली थी उसका आपने जो भी नोट डाउन किया है? Anyone who wishes to share? The topic, all of you, the topic. With this, I have given you in a very simplified way. बहुत simple way में मैंने आपको ये बताया कि कैसे हम एक टॉपिक के बारे में उसके फेवर, मतलब पहले अभी देखिए आपकी स्क्रीन पे जो शेयर हो रहा है, फर्स्ट इट इज रिटन फेवर, देन इट इज रिटन अगेंस्ट. मतलब मैं फर्स्ट पॉइंट में मैं मानती हूँ कि हाँ, साइंटिफिक इंटरवेंशन का बहुत जरूरी है वो. अगर मुझे किसी भी खास ऐसी मिस्ट्री के बारे में समझना है कि हाँ इसके अंदर क्या, क्यों, क्या, कैसे हुआ, अगर मैं उसके बारे में सच, इफ आई वांट टू get the details of the mystery means रहस्य. अगर मैं, if I want to know what happened, why it happened, If I want to know everything about it, then I need scientific intervention. So the very first point is it provides complete details. It helps you to know more about the matter. It is a trustable resource. Trustable resource है जिसके साथ you get the details with it. But today I'm saying no. It is bad to involve science in the mysteries, because there is something related to your faith. Everything should not be disclosed before everyone. सब चीजें सबको बतानी जरूरी नहीं रहती हैं. So what I say, sometimes you approach to the ideas, not to solution. Sometimes it spoils the faith of people. And moreover, beyond anything else, these things are quite expensive to bear. ये सब चीजें जो हैं ये हमारे लिए बहुत expensive हैं, और इन expenses के कारण से it is better not to involve sciences in your life, in your mysteries. So I want to know what has been done by you. आप लोगों ने इसके related क्या किया है? The chapter is of first term, but this is a topic this is a topic from the writing section that we are going to do in the class at present. Writing section का topic, and the topic is debate. Debate, what does it mean? Debate means that if something, debate means a discussion, a critical appreciation of any topic, a critical appreciation. I'm saying critical appreciation, or means you want to know whether the thing is beneficial for you or not. So you discuss it very critically. You deeply you know that what are the benefits of it and what are the drawbacks of it. You discuss the benefits and drawbacks of any matter in detail so that you can decide the things better. So this is called critical appreciation. किसी भी चीज को critically appreciate करना, whether it is good or bad. So first of all, we have discussed scientific intervention is necessary to unearth the buried mystery. And on this topic, in the class, when we discussed the topic that day also, we discussed, I and Yadi, we were there. That time also we discussed how this happened. And moreover, debate happens many a time at home also. It is not only in the class, many a time it happens at home also. Many a time you need to discuss that we should do this thing or that thing, whether we should go for it or not. So in this way, we decide what to do, what not to do. But here we have to do, here it is the part of your learning. This is the part of your subject, English. The topic is of writing section is debate. Yes, tomorrow the work will be more. I wish to know who has done this task at home, who has completed the task of yesterday, so that we can go for the next task. Yes, anyone who has done it? But tomorrow I'll be listening to you. I will not